Attention! I need everybody to stop what you're doing and listen. It's time to get after it. I have an idea. I wonder if I took this top off and it'll give me better access to it. We're gonna try it. I hope I don't regret this. Where's my ladder? Okay, by tack welding it just a couple times, that's all you can do. The metal's so thin and I'm still not a great welder, so I just tacked it in place, and I've got to trim a little bit. I didn't realize the steel would be a little bit taller than I need, so I'm gonna get my painter's tape, run a straight edge and cut along it because it won't really matter since I'm going to be putting that 3-inch band. The 3-inch band will cover up these welds as well as, you know, my cut. The hills are alive with the sound of Woodness goodness.
Alright guys, before we go any further, I want to talk about this video's sponsor, Harry's. A lot of people ask me how I developed such an incredible work of art above my upper lip. And honestly, I'm not exactly sure. But I do know how I keep it looking crisp, fresh, and absolutely delectable. And that's with help from Harry's. Harry's is a personal care brand that has reinvented the way you shave, helping you to shave in a premium, hassle-free way. Help Harry's support great causes as they give 1% of their global sales to non-profit organizations that provide mental health care to men, veterans, and LGBTQ+ youths in need.
Well, how do I look? I'm just kidding. This is made for people like me who, I don't shave all the time, but wow, that's some smooth skin. I didn't have to do anything other than move my wrist a little bit. Wow.
And the razor blades that Harry's uses are manufactured in Germany, and they're sharper than ever and only $2 a piece. If you want to redeem a trial set from Harry's for just $3, then go to harrys.com/woodnessgoodness or click the link in the description below. Be sure to get one now, or they just might run out. They're that good. As always, thank you so much Harry's for sponsoring this video, and let's get back to it.
Alright, weather forecast today is 60 degrees, which it currently is right now. Congratulations, boys. You did it again. You know exactly what's happening when it's happening. But the forecast for the future, the immediate future, is rain and some more snow. And so because it's nice out and 60 degrees, I'm gonna go ahead and prime a good part of this trailer, especially the raw metal. I just don't want the raw metal, getting weathered if I can help it. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna prep the surface with a little sandpaper where it needs it and some mineral spirits, and then we're gonna go ahead and prime it. Let's go. Alright, this is not the only time I'm gonna prime this. But like I said, we got weather coming. I wanna try and protect the new metal. I also am too excited and I wanna try this turbo can, okay? Whoa. Let's try it out, baby. Okay. It has literally been almost 2 weeks since I've been able to work on this trailer. I don't know if you've heard, but the United States has received some inclement weather. Inclement. I-N-C-L-I-M-E-N-T. Inclement. We're not sure. But we've had some bad weather, which is why I put the plastic over the trailer, because I haven't put that nose piece on yet, or put it back on. And we just wanted to protect it a little bit. But yeah, the freezing rain's been tough. Obviously, places have gotten worse, so I'm still thankful we have power. And plus I got, you know, my solar generator and some solar panels, so we've been just fine. We're gonna go ahead and keep doing our thing. Take the plastic off and try and get this nose piece on. Let's get after it. That was stupid. Bro, no, you're trying to attack me. Once I get the first one in, it'll be easy.
Wow.
Isn't that cool? This is really helpful.
Well guys, welcome to Woodness Goodness. Trailer is a little bit of a step down from the cabin, but it is what it is. Smash the like button.